welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. This is Chaotic Allure here, and I'm back with a new video. And in this video, it's pretty much like a drugstore makeup, really like cheap. All my products were under $10. This was like a calm, beat for me, and it was also my first time doing a cat eye. So just keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. Oh yeah, I forgot to say, the reason why I'm doing a voiceover is because I have a fan that was really loud in the background. Hi guys, so I'm gonna start with the Nivea Full Shave Balm, and I'm gonna just moisturize my face. Check out my skincare routine. Oh yeah, I broke out on my nose, and that's why I haven't been filming makeup videos. I'm using a primer from Heart Candy. All these products were from Walmart. And I'm looking down because I have a mirror on my knee or lap. Using the Burt's Bee lip balm to moisturize my lips. I'm using the Maybelline Tattoo Studio brow pomade, if that's how you say it. And I'm just gonna, fill in my brows and stuff. I already have like bushy brows, so like I have a lot of hair in my eyebrows, so it doesn't really take me that long. You guys can see the difference. And I do need to get my eyebrows. Most of the times I don't really use concealer to clean up my eyebrows because I don't really need it, but it's been weeks, so yeah. I'm using the back of the brush applicator to just, blend in the product more and stuff. Is it just me, or do you guys have one eyebrow that always looks so good and the other just always like, ugh? So then I'm taking the Infallible Pro Glow, I think, concealer, and I'm just cleaning up under, and yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. And throughout the video you see my mouth moving. It's because I was on the phone. So yeah. And just take your time, really. Yeah, normally my eyebrows don't really take that long to do, but I really had to clean it up. I'm taking a smaller beauty blender, and I'm just blending in the concealer. Just like that. And it's damp, by the way. I wet it. I always wet my beauty blender. Never use your beauty blender dry, because that's just whatever. And it's just picking up the excess product to make my eyebrows look really clean and neat. And yeah. So then I'm taking this CoverGirl brow, what is this? It's like a brow gel primer, and it keeps your I said lashes, and it keeps your eyebrows in place. It's like a clear like gel, really. And your eyebrows, I'm telling you, it does not move. I don't know if I'm gonna try and see if I could just put the price of the products on the screen while the video is going. I don't know yet, but I'll try. I'm taking the Masterfix setting powder, and I'm just setting the concealer on my eyebrows, And I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me powder in color 355, and I'm just going in my crease with it, like on my lid, just to give it like some type of definition. It doesn't really, this is optional too. Taking my Wet n Wild megaliner, I'm gonna attempt a cat eye, okay? So I don't know, like, this was literally my first time trying to do a cat liner by myself. It took me a little bit longer than expected, but it came out kind of good for my first time. So yeah, you're just gonna kind of start your liner. If you guys want like a more like detailed, like I don't know why I keep moving and stuff. I thought I was messing it up and I was doing it wrong, but um yeah, if you guys want like a more like a video just based on me doing my cat eye and stuff, and let me know and I will do that. But honestly, when I got to like the inner corner of my eye, I didn't know what I was doing. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, I did not know what was going on. Like I was trying to I was trying to make it pointy, but it wasn't looking right at first. Like I don't oh my god. So yeah, it wasn't really looking right at first because I'm like, what is going on? So I went and I kind of did my other eye, which I did perfectly. But this is what it ended up looking like. I'm taking an eyeliner and I just align my eyes, and I put my lashes off camera. They're from Whipped by Maddie. I'm gonna leave my code in the description box and the links to the lashes. I'm using my concealer, again the same one for my eyebrows, and I'm just, you know, highlighting. And then I'm taking my foundation, which is optional. You don't have to use foundation, but I just wanted to, just for the sake of, you know, a full face of Drugstore product. I almost dropped my I almost dropped my foundation, and yeah, that was my reaction, honestly. But taking a damp beauty blender, a bigger one, I'm just blending the foundation while slowly moving it up to the concealer. The only reason why I did that was because my concealer got a little too light because I was, you know, I'm in the sun every day. So like I kind of tanned a little bit. So yeah, and I'm doing this kind of fast because I had a fan just blowing in my face, so the concealer was kind of drying out a little bit. And while I was applying my concealer, I realized that maybe I should have done the inner corners at the end because yeah. Oh, then I'm taking my masterfix setting powder and I'm just applying that under my eyes everywhere that I highlighted, and then I'm gonna let it sit. About 5 minutes, and yeah, five. So I'm taking a brush with the Maybelline Fit Me powder color 320, and I'm just removing the excess setting powder off my face. And the reason why I do that is because I don't want flashback, and this helps get rid of it. So I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me powder 355 to just contour my face. Yeah, like that. So then I'm taking a smaller contouring nose brush, and I'm just contouring my nose a little bit. Yeah, this is coming out good. And some of these products is like my first time using them, so yeah. Revlon, it's like a blush. Oh my god, I just lost my train of thought. Yeah, I'm using this Revlon blush. I'm gonna put the I'm gonna put the names and the price on the screen because this is better. This is also optional. I just like to add little freckles, and I do have beauty marks on my face, and when I put concealer it kind of fades them out, so I just go over it with a little eyeliner, and I add a couple extras. I'm taking this L'Oreal Lumi Glow palette thing, and I'm using that color, and I'm just gonna apply it on my face. And it doesn't really show that much. It's kind of like a product that you just have to build up, really. That makes sense, right? And I'm applying it on my cheeks, on my brow bone, my nose, my little cupid's bow area, and I'm using the Milani Make It Dewy spray. I spray my face, right? And then while it's drying, I'm applying some mascara on my bottom lashes, and then what I do is I go back in with the same highlighting palette just to make myself glow because I like it. I love highlighter, and yeah, I want my little nose to be really shiny. So yeah, I'm just reapplying over it, and it's cute. Then I'm spraying it again. I'm using this CoverGirl Professional lip and eyeliner, I think. It's like a dark brown, and I'm just lining my lips with it. And then I'm taking this NYX, I think the color is Abu Dhabi, and I'm just applying it on my lip a little bit. Then I'm going over this Dollar lip gloss, any clear gloss, just, you know, yeah, boom. This is it. And my hair is kind of messed up, so I'm not gonna do much to it. Just, I don't know, I'm just gonna part it like that, and I'm kind of done. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and yeah, follow me on my social media, and go check out my next videos.